This is Chase Harris with Urban Money and Urban Intellectuals. Just to give you a quick background about myself, I have 2 finance degrees, in which I also have a financial literacy company, which is Urban Money, and then my partnership with Urban Intellectuals. And this is Mr. A.C. Green. Mr. A.C. Green, tell us about yourself.
Well, the bottom line is we have a radio show that reaches 1.8 million people across the Chicago area. That is a big deal, and so happy to be able to help a whole lot of people put some money in their pocket.
That's right, that's right. So today we are talking about hair.
Hair.
All right, 2 men.
Hair.
So we're talking about hair. What is this big opportunity that we have now for hair in our community?
Well, it's hairshipment.com. So what we have done is we've partnered with the manufacturers. The big deal is to be connected so with the manufacturer that you can get the price so low that you can sell it to other folks and they don't have to overcharge customers for it. Everybody can't do that. Just quite frankly, we have a partnership. We are the manufacturer, essentially, and we can get the hair to people so they can resell the hair for profit.
So let me get this right. So typically, when our people go to buy hair, our people go to black hair. They're not buying it from black people. So this is kind of like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, right? Where this is the $80 billion industry, right?
$80 billion industry, and here's the thing about it. Of all the people in this country who buy hair, 70% of those buyers are black women.
So this means that our people can get 70% of $80 billion.
$80 billion, with a B.
By partnering with hairshipment.com.
Absolutely, and we want to do that. See, here it is. Many of you know that you want to send your kids to college. Many things you want to do. You want to buy houses. You want to not live under the constant stress of not having enough money. And we look for many ways to do this. And something's right in front of our faces. Look at the heads of the women around you. Most of them are wearing hair extensions. They're buying it from maybe the Korean families, making them rich. They're disrespecting you in the stores. Can't even speak the language. And they're treating you like, you know what I'm talking about.
So what you're saying is that we now have an opportunity to get a piece of this pie.
A big opportunity, yes.
That is amazing. So another thing that we talked about was not only using hair to put people in business, but we need to teach them business.
Absolutely.
So how are we going to do that?
Well, hairshipment.com has the Hair Academy. So you want to learn some of the simple things about doing business, how to market your business effectively. That's one of the big things about that. How to do effective customer service. So you can get the product at low prices, buy it in bulk and resell it for profit. But once you have that product in your hands, now you have to get that product to people so that you can make money. And we're going to teach you all about that. That is the big thing about hairshipment.com. We're not just going to give you some hair and say, go ahead and sell that hair. We're going to show you how to do it so that you can be $1 million distributor.
So let me get this right. So just to recap, now we have the opportunity to get a piece of the pie in the hair industry, right? We always know, or we know for a fact that the demand is there because who's the client? We're the client.
Yeah.
Black women are the clients.
Black women.
The clients is all around. You may be a client of yourself.
That's right.
So you have the opportunity to now, instead of going to the beauty supply store to buy the hair, you can buy it from one another. Keep the money in your pocket and in your community and go in business for yourself.
And look at this, Shay. So I will guarantee you that if you're willing, if you keep $1,000 worth of hair in your possession at all times, you will always have money. As long as you let people know you have the hair. It is a huge industry. If women around you know that you have the hair, the Brazilian hair, the Peruvian hair, the Indian hair, they know you have that in all the inches, from 10 inches to 30 inches. They know you have that hair. 10A, 8A, 9A, if they know you have the hair and our hair is all double sewn at the weft, that means there is no shedding. If they know you have the hair, I will guarantee you they're gonna come to you. They're not gonna go to somebody else that looks nothing like you. Black people need to put this money in their own pockets.
And with that being said, welcome to hairshipment.com.
Welcome to hairshipment.com. Come on, let's go.